you do need to vary the message and the way you create content depending on the audience. So I'm going to define this in four different categories. One is for your current clients. One is for prospect outreach. One is just basically your narrative, your website, and then the other one is kind of your positioning for media. So for clients, often what I see is tax and accounting pros write about themselves. They'll have every designation that they have. They don't realize that your audience really doesn't care. They do care after you've shown that you can solve their problem, but the reality is they have an existing pain point. They have an existing dream that they want to accomplish, right? So you want to make your outreach, the content you create, about them and not you. So I always say avoid selfish content. To add to this, many pros do not put bios on their websites. It's the second most viewed page. If you have a narrative, a personal bio, you're probably, I mean, I don't know, we haven't done any statistics on it, but we do see the traffic, do see the behavior, and we do see pros and firms. We have one, Murphy 3, that just throws full personality into their brand. They're one of the largest, CPA firms in Orange County. And it's because of this authenticity, this kind of, showing their personality that works so well. So definitely it 100% works. So different for prospect outreach. You want to be an innovator, right? So push the boundaries of ideas. Maybe, you're a little, I'm not saying throw a tax strategy out there that's illegal, right? But definitely think out of the box and maybe think of current strategies and think of new ways to spin them, right? So different ways to tell a story that you can kind of own it, even though it's a standard tax strategy that everyone already kind of is using. So I always say go ahead.
Oh, no, sorry. One thing I talk about a lot with clients is think about who needs CPAs and tax professionals now. It's millennials. It's even some older Gen Z, people who are starting to earn money, build wealth. I'm a millennial myself. We have a little bit different outlook than, say, older generations. We want people who are injecting personality into things. You don't have to be this dry, fact-based. Facts are important, but we want to see that you're going to be able to help us in a unique way that's going to fix whatever issue we're experiencing. And I think that's something particularly for older tax professionals to keep in mind, that your new audience is largely going to be people in, their mid to late 30s and 40s who are needing help now. But we grew up in an era where the internet was a thing. We grew up with it.